I'm just doing some sea glass angels, maybe soldered angels. I'm not sure if it'll work out, so I put the tape on, like, oops, you buy copper tape in like rolls, same as the garden stuff, and you wrap it, oops, bend it down. Give it a wee burnish. I've lost my wee thing. I know it's in here somewhere. I had a wee knife, a wee wooden knife, and it was great. I could just sit and do that with it. You know, I can still do that with this, but you need to give it a wee good burnish down. It's the same thing as you get for doing the what do you cry it? Doing the Christmas trees. I think I need to do another few wee ones for wings or bodies or something, and I shall get back to you and show you. I actually thought I was soldering and having that on so you could see it. I'm really sorry. Can you see how it's going? I don't know if you can see it.